Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to block the Windows 11 upgrade on Windows 10 PCs or laptop. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type gpedit.msc. So make sure that gpedit.msc and click on to open it. So open this group policy, and after doing this step, select the upper administrative templates and expand it. After that, select the Windows components and expand it. After that, scroll down and find out a Windows update. Select the Windows update and expand it. After doing this, select a Windows update for business, and after doing this, select the target features and update version. So double click on open it and select the enable, and after that in this search, which Windows product version will you like to receive features for, like Windows 10. So type it sub Windows 10, and the target version for the feature updates, type it 21 H1. Click on apply and OK button and close the registry editor. Close the group policy editor. Close it, and after doing this step, restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your block the Windows 11 upgrade on Windows 10 PC. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.